today we're changing the cross member in my car, and it's also a bit of an upgrade. It's a 1983 Ford Mustang GLX, the 5-liter, and the stock's cross member. It was originally a single pipe car, so the exhaust went down one side, so the cross member only needed to be notched where this side was flat, and whoever had it before me cut it off and turned it into a dual pipe car. And so now it's butchered and it won't pass the safety, and that needs to be fixed. And I got a drive shaft safety loop with it, so then when the drive shaft comes apart, or if it does, hopefully it doesn't beat around in the drive shaft transmission tunnel, and wreck more stuff. And this just keeps it so that no one dies. So I got the hoist set up. You want it on the pin, this right here. Under here, I'll get a flashlight. It's called a pinch seam, and you want to pick up on there because that's the only spot that's really strong enough to not crumple in a unibody car, which means it has no frame. The frame is built into the body. Okay, so this is the drive shaft. Up here is the motor. This what connects your. This is what connects your motor. Not motor. Transmission to the subframe. That's not the subframe. That's the. I forgot what that's called. Is that subframe?
Yes, that's your subframe.
Oh, and then so then when you accelerate or anything or do anything with the transmission, it doesn't drop out, or it holds it in its place and doesn't make any work for the engine mounts. And then, so I gotta take the exhaust pipes off, take the cross member out, and I also need to take out this like drive shaft bushing, rubber, transmission mount, and then put the drive shaft safety loop in.
What's the matter?
So now I'm just taking out the cross member bolts. I got that side out. So now I just gotta take out those, and the cross member will be out, and I'll show you what's wrong with it. Is it 14? Did it catch it?
Nope.
They're two different bolts, eh?
Oh, really? Nuts.
Nuts. You know what I meant.
Good thing I'm still recording that.
Huh?
Why don't you take,
This piece?
yeah, off, that way you get some more travel.
For more travel. And well, I probably could get it out, but it'll be a lot easier if I just, and I'll have more room to fit the drive shaft loop. So I'm just gonna take this side down too. Alright, this is what's wrong with it. See this side? This side is what it should look like on that side, and this is what this side looks like. It's not even welded up there. And here's how this one's better. It's one solid piece, and it's a lot stronger compared to this thin metal. And the bushings, they're not technically solid, but they're solid when you compare it to this. So, and then what that does is it's the drive shaft shape. We've already explained what that is, but it'll be taking the place of this. So it'll be sandwiched in between there, and then the drive shaft cross member will just come down across there. Goes up, look. Yeah, it can go up like that, right?
Yeah.
It says you should assemble it back there.
And then slide it forward?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so we got it all hooked up. So you can see how this works is if that lets go the drive shaft, without it would go floppy and wreck a lot of stuff out in here. So this is so if that happens, this can at least hold it in the spot, and it's says it's NSRA approved. So that means it's probably good. And we got a cross member in. It's strong and in there. Before when I had that one, I could pull on a little bit and it would flex. This one's not doing anything. So now I just got to put my exhaust on and then let this down. It says we don't have this tightened down yet because we gotta make sure that this isn't when it's down and gonna hit this. So we gotta do the clearance, see the clearance on that before we tighten anything down. Okay, so.
Okay, I'm recording.
Okay, so we got the clearances. So now I'm just tightening it up, and then we're done. So the job's done. We got drive shaft cross member in. We got the drive shaft safety loop in, and it didn't fall off the place, so that's good.